Hello! Let's explore the Credential Indicator button in the Active Launch Sessions feature, introduced in the Brisbane release. Let's understand the business need. Currently, users are required to click on each active session with credentials to view the password. However, a lack of a clear visual cue indicating the need for this action creates friction in the user experience. Let's look at the enhancement. A new Has Credentials icon has been introduced to indicate that an authorized user can view the password for credential or credentialless access. This icon appears only for approved and active sessions. For credential-based indicator activation, an indicator appears once the session start time is reached and the session becomes active for sessions that involve credentials, including sessions of type credential checkout and sessions of type credential-less with view password enabled. Let's learn about the visual indicator with tooltip. When hovering over the indicator, a tooltip displaying Has Credentials appears, indicating that credentials are associated with the session. The tooltip automatically disappears when the cursor is no longer over the indicator, as shown in the screenshot below. Once the indicator becomes visible for an active session, it remains consistently displayed, ensuring users can easily track credential availability without disruption. The icon does not disappear when performing common UI actions such as manually refreshing the Assets and Sessions page, applying or clearing filters, conducting searches using the search bar, or toggling the Hide Session checkbox. This persistent behavior ensures a seamless and uninterrupted user experience. Let's review the exception use cases where the Credential Indicator button is not supported. Credentialless session requests for Unix accounts, even when the View Password parameter is enabled in the Account Config section on the Account Detail page. Session requests initiated for emergency access roles. Credentialless session requests for accounts where the View Password parameter is disabled in the Account Config section on the Account Detail page. Now, let's look at the demo for the Credential Indicator button in the Active Launch Session feature introduced in the Brisbane release. Starting with the Brisbane release onwards, the Has Credentials icon indicates that the credential and credentialless account needs credentials to connect. So when we navigate from the Home page menu to the Privilege Access, Assets and Sessions page, let's say we select a Windows target and try to submit a checkout credential request by selecting a shared account, choosing the time duration as 30 minutes, and providing the business justification, and submit the request. You may observe that once the request gets activated, we see the Credential Indicator icon reflecting here. When hovering over the indicator, a tooltip displays Has Credentials, signifying that credentials are associated with the session, and the tooltip automatically disappears when the cursor is no longer hovering over the indicator. Similarly, if we place a request by choosing Connect to Session option for our credentialless session, following the same steps for the request submission as earlier by selection of the shared account, time duration as 30 minutes, and business justification provided, and then submit the request. Once the request gets activated, you may observe that it will also show the Has Credentials indicator only if the View Password parameter was enabled for this respective account in the Account Config details. Let me show that step too. Here, you may observe that I have searched for the particular shared account details which was used for the Connect to Session. Click Edit on the Account Config page. Scroll the page down to find the View Password parameter, which is turned on. This is why the Credential Indicator was enabled for this particular account when it was used to request the credential session. This is how the new Has Credentials icon indicates when credentials are required to access a credential or credentialless account. Thank you for watching.